Hey, how we doing today, guys? So today on the workbench here, what we got is a nice old Burns USA Dreadnought guitar here. Pretty cool old acoustic guitar. We found this guitar at a second-hand store and picked her up for fairly next to nothing. She was pretty beat up, so I'm in the process of getting this one fixed up and repaired here. Nice piece, good find. So just a little trick here I'm going to show you. So I'm getting ready to replace these bridge pins in here. I already cut the strings, getting ready to pop the bridge pins out. And these things were wedged in here so tight they really didn't want to come out very easy with a bridge pin puller. So one of the actual tops of the bridge pin here, you see here's one of the bridge pins here, it actually popped off here. See the piece right here. This one here, I went to pull it out with the bridge pin puller and just popped right in half here. They're only made out of plastic. Some are plastic, some are, you can get some made out of bone, they make some out of aluminum. So, but anyhow, so if something like this happens to you, say you're changing strings on your acoustic guitar, your bridge pins get stuck in here, your bridge pin puller, something goes wrong, you can't get them out. So, as you can see here, let me show you here on the bridge here. So, you can see these holes go through, all the way through the bridge, all the way through the body. So the pins are actually, you can feel the pins down here inside the body. You can stick your hand, if your sound hole's big enough, you can stick your hand down here inside the body. You can actually feel the bridge pins, the ends of the pins down here. So if for some reason, okay, you get a bridge pin that breaks or a bridge pin that's stuck, and you can't get that bridge pin out, you're just having a hard time with it here. I'll show you a little trick. And this actually works pretty good. Alright, so you got your hand down in here like this. You can feel all these bridge pins. Now the bridge pins, they're a little sharp at the end here. Some of them are, some of them aren't. So you don't want to try pushing up with your finger. You might just, you know, jab this piece into the end of your finger. But if you got yourself a quarter, you can take a quarter, I mean any small round piece of steel you got here. I wouldn't use anything too sharp. But you can reach down inside here. Now you can feel the bridge pins. Put something right up against the bridge pin and then just push it up. And you'll be able to pop it right out. Now you can see down in here in these holes here, someone was wedging these pins in there pretty hard at one time. So we're going to have to file those holes out a little bit and clean those up. But so again, all I did, I took this quarter, went down inside of here, felt underneath here. I can feel the end of the bridge pin. I take the quarter, I'm just gonna put it right against the edge of the bridge pin, push up here, pop them right out. Matter of fact, while I'm in here, we'll get the rest of these strings out of here. Sometimes this is the easiest thing to do. If you just cut your strings, put your hand down in here, you can pop these pins right out of here. So, but they do make handy little tools for doing such a thing. Like I say, not all sound holes you'll be able to stick your hand in. Now, my arm's fairly decent size, hand's fairly big. Luckily on this Dreadnought, I can just push it right in here. Now, if you couldn't get all the way in here, I mean, you could take another, like, you know, a flat file or something that you could get down in here to push up on the bottom of these bridge pins. Pop them right out of here. So, but anyhow, handy little tip if you ever get a bridge pin stuck in there that you can't get out. Like you can see right now, those holes go all the way through the body. So those pins, you know, those bridge pins are sticking down in here. You can feel them down inside of here. So if you can get your hand up underneath of them, something flat, you can pop them right out. Okay, just be careful. You know, you don't poke your fingers or anything. Use something to get underneath of it. And basically all I'm doing is just taking it and popping it right out of the hole like that. That'll help you out in a pinch. You know, if you don't have a lot of handy tools like this one right here, cut your strings, pin puller on the end, string winder, all kinds of handy stuff out there. But sometimes, you know, these just aren't going to get the job done if something breaks. But that's a handy trick just to pop those bridge pins out. So anyhow, happy guitar repairs to you guys. And, you know, I'll post some more handy tips and tricks next time we're doing some work here on the old workbench. So have a nice day.